client has accepted a proposal, or once you have created an instant bill for a client, this creates active services in your client's Services tab. These are parent services that generate billing items in your client's Billing Schedule tab. Everything in your client's Billing Schedule tab represents every item that your client will be billed for in the future. These are categorized into manual and automatic billing items. If it's in the manual section, that means the system needs your confirmation in some way. Typically, it's due to the type of billing, such as price range estimates and unit prices like per hour or employee, which require human confirmation before it can be billed. You can also find billing items like on-completion work that you choose to bill at a later date when the work is complete. The automatic section will generate and send an invoice automatically to your clients on the specified dates. Every billing item across all of your clients can be edited. Simply click into any of these billing items, and you can make one-off changes to the price, quantity, date, and whether it's billed manually or automatically. If you need a permanent change like a scope or price change, you can also edit the active service in the Services tab. Simply click into an active service, click Edit, and make the changes you want, which will update all of the related billing items. This is like a waterfall type of billing, where if you edit or end the service here, it'll have downstream effects on the Billing Schedule tab. Once these items have been billed, Ignition will transform the billing item into an invoice and send the invoice to your client. You can view all invoices generated in your client's Invoices tab. If you're using Ignition payments, the system will also begin collecting payment based on the number of days set in your payment collection schedule. This is found in the Settings and Payments tab. If you've got QuickBooks or Xero connected, Ignition will automatically create the invoice for you in your ledger. Ignition will also mark the invoice as paid and make reconciliation a breeze. There's also a full activity trail available when you click into any invoice. If you want a quick overview of your manual billing across all your clients, navigate to your Billing tab, found under the Payments section. You can apply filters and check any overdue invoices, which you can invoice directly on this page or schedule them for the future. If you want to dive into more detail, check out our Help Center for technical support, or you can reach out to our support team for any questions.